Unless we have faith, however many other good qualities we might have, they will not be of much use to us, as though we were very beautiful, but blind. So we have to make an effort to develop faith by meditating on impermanence for times a day, by reflecting minutely on actions and their effects, by reflecting on the positive aspects of everything, by reflecting on how rare the Dharma is, by thinking of our teachers' kindness, by thinking of our spiritual brothers and sisters with pure perception, and by thinking of the excellent qualities of the Buddha. It is important to consider that other people are all of them marvelous, and to be free of partiality and notions of high or low status, thus making a habit of faith and taming your own mind. The omniscient Dharma Lord O said, "Unless you do all you can to develop faith, you will never attain perfection."